What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital and welcome to the video. In this video, we're talking about an exciting new company called Plant & Co Brands. Plant & Co Brands is a modern health and wellness vegan food company focused on building a portfolio of plant-based foods, immunity, and gut health products to help transform and optimize daily well-being. So as you know, guys, this is a new and exciting sector. There's been a lot of talk about this sector, a lot of growth in the industry, and it's expected to continue at least for the foreseeable future. So I'm excited to bring you guys this new company. This video was sponsored by Plant & Co Brands. For full disclosure, check the description down below. I wanted to make sure you guys know that. Along with, this is an overview, so let's get into it. We're gonna go over the company, how it's performed recently, some articles, as well as their website and all that good stuff, and then we'll give you guys an idea of what they're all about. So I hope you enjoy the video. Last but not least, if you do support me, the channel, and all these new and exciting companies that I bring to you guys, then kindly explode that like button. It takes just 1 second of your time, and it helps my videos so very much, along with cashing that subscribe button and ringing the market bell for future videos and notifications. So let's get straight into it. And don't forget to drop me a comment, guys. Let me know what you think about this company. So currently has a $19.1 million market cap with a 52-week range of 15 cents to 94 cents. And it's currently trading for 50 cents. It's traded on the CSE under ticker symbol VEGN. So as we can see over the past month, it's gone from 30 cents all the way up to 52-week highs of 94 cents, and we're currently trading for 50 cents right now. So it's had a pretty good year. It's had a nice run up, a little bit of a pullback, and now might be an interesting time to take a look at this company. So you can check out their website, eurolifebrands.com. Plant-based alternatives made with all natural ingredients. We're going to take a look at that. Health and wellness products. And then here we have Plant & Co March, opening soon in Corsa Italia, Toronto. Home delivery and shop online 24/7. That's coming soon. As consumers seek out healthier dining options, plant-based alternatives to food containing meat, fish, eggs, and dairy are trending at an all-time high. A key driver of growth at fast casual restaurants and grocery stores, plant-based foods are increasingly accessible, affordable, and aligned in taste with their animal product counterparts. So here's a little bit of market information before we get into some interesting articles. I just wanted to quickly go over a little bit of the information that we have on their website. So according to Unidatos Market Insights, a leading market research company providing research and analysis on international markets, plant-based food alternatives are expected to reach a global market value of $38.4 billion by 2025. So it's a growing market. It's an exciting market to be in. And let's take a look at this awesome article about the company that goes a little bit more in depth. This is from marketsnewsupdates.com. So Plant & Co Brands. This undervalued company is positioned to compete in the potentially multi-billion-dollar plant-based food industry. So let's see some information about the company. So Plant & Co Brands is a modern health and wellness food company focused on curating a portfolio of plant-based foods, immunity, and gut health products to help transform and optimize daily well-being. Some of its brands include Holy Crap brand cereals, brand affiliations such as Kiju Organic and Love Child Organics, and distribution channels such as Amazon, Whole Foods, London Drugs, UNFI, just to name a few. So plant-based food demand is appearing to begin outpacing food sales. Consumer good giant Unilever just set an approximately $1.2 billion annual sales target on plant-based foods over the next 5 to 7 years. So we know this is in a growing industry. I believe, this is a new and emerging industry, and it's an exciting time for Plant & Co Brands. So approximately 17% of consumers aged 15 to 70 claim to eat a predominantly plant-based diet, with 60% reporting a cutback on meat-based products, according to Health Focus International, as noted by Medium. Plant & Co Brands is still severely undervalued compared to its peers. Plant & Co Brands' Holy Crap brand cereal could possibly more than double 2020 revenue next year. Plant & Co Brands claims to have plans for a rapid regional rollout with distribution in Whole Foods, Amazon Prime, Loblaws, and UNFI. So let's talk about the US plant-based food market. So as we can see, very healthy compound annual growth rate. It grew in 2017 by 15% and grew in 2018 by 11%. We can see a lot of these big fast food chains as well, McDonald's, A&W, they're all starting to develop, plant-based burgers, plant-based alternatives. So this is definitely where the market's trending. Even consumer goods giant Unilever sets an approximate $1.2 billion annual sales target on plant-based foods over the next 5 to 7 years. So let's talk about some comparable stocks that, some success stories already in the industry. To illustrate this strong growth, consider these additional figures over the last year. Here are how some of the larger plant-based food companies have performed. Beyond Meat ran from $60 per share to $240. Very Good Food ran from $1.50 to $9.96 per share. And we did talk about that company before. Modern Meat ran from approximately 30 cents to $3.66. So we're talking about 10x for the sub $1 billion companies, and even Beyond Meat, 4x for the over $1 billion companies. So even in an industry with this type of growth, there are still undervalued companies trading at a discount, such as Plant & Co. Ticker symbol Vegan, VEGN, which trades at approximately 60 cents per share. We're actually now at 50 cents per share. So the target audience, 60% of millennials consume plant-based meats, with 1 in 4 cutting down on meat consumption, $70 million total addressable market, $30 million target market, North American vegans and vegetarians, 7.5 million obtainable market are future consumers. So it's a big market. Most recently, Plant & Co. acquired Holy Crap, rebranded the Dragon's Den era product, and expanded distribution with industry partners. With Holy Crap Brands, this company is aiming to come close to approximately $1 million in 2020 sales. That figure could grow to approximately $2.5 million in 2021 with margins of around 48%. Now let's talk a little bit about the technicals. And as time has progressed since this article was written, the stock has actually pulled back a little bit more. So it's always nice, if you are looking at a company, of course, this is not financial advice. Never tell you guys to buy or sell stocks. But I personally like to buy stocks when they've pulled back a little bit. The stock has had a pullback. That doesn't mean it's not going to pull back anymore, but now it might be an interesting time to take a look at this company. Strong leadership. Plant & Co. is capitalizing on a wealth of experience in building, managing, developing, and distributing brands throughout North America. Better, its team is industry recognized, with key players in food distribution, as is well prepared for product positioning and launches. As we can see here, guys, lots of experience within the industry. So now let's talk about the 7 reasons, or the top 7 reasons, to consider Plant & Co. brands. So number 1, demand for plant-based foods has created a potential $27.9 billion market. Plant-based food demand is appearing to begin outpacing total food sales. Number 3, consumer goods giant Unilever just set approximately a $1.2 billion annual sales target on plant-based foods over the next 5 to 7 years. Approximately 17% of US consumers aged 15 to 70 claim to eat a predominantly plant-based diet, with 60% reporting a cut back on meat-based products, according to Health Focus International, as noted by Medium. Number 5, Plant & Co. Brands is still severely undervalued compared to its peers. Number 6, Plant & Co. Brands, Holy Crap, could possibly more than double its 2020 revenue next year. And finally, last but not least, and very important, Plant & Co. Brands claims to have plans for a rapid regional rollout with distribution in Whole Foods, Amazon Prime, Loblaws, and UNFI. So you guys can take a look at this one for yourself. There have been multiple success stories in this industry. I do think that this is where the trend is going. I do think that this is a hot sector. We've seen multiple success stories. So could Plant & Co. Brands be the next big winner, for the small cap vegan stocks? It could. So put this one on your radar. Take a look. Let me know what you think in the comments, guys. And also, for full disclosure, just to remind you, this video was sponsored by Plant & Co. Brands. Check the description down below for full disclosure. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And always remember, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you make your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in our next video.